calling it right now, they're gonna flash flood warning.
The pressure was 30.03 inches and falling. The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Larimer County until 6:15 p.m. At 3:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.3 and 0.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, roads, and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Horsetooth Mountain. This includes the following additional locations: Moonan's Way, Stringtown Gulch, Big Bear, Lower Buckhorn on County Road 27 above Massonville, Crystal Mountain, The Retreat and Storm Mountain. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flooding of creeks, streams, roads, and culverts in the affected part of the Cameron Peak burn area. Rock slides or debris flows can also be expected across roads in the warning area.
That was a lot of call to actions. That should go.
The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a flash flood warning for North Central Boulder County in Northeastern Colorado until 11 p.m. At 7:50 p.m. daylight time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Colorado burn area. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.3 to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, gulches, roads, and poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include mainly rural areas of North Central Boulder County. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Heavy rainfall will cause flash flooding of creeks, streams, and ditches in the Colwood burn area. Rock slides or debris flows can also be expected. The main areas of concern are Heil, Valley Ranch, and Left Hand Creek just above a 36.
Echo. Alert.
Okay.
This is NOAA All Hazards Radio. Your normal program has been suspended due to severe weather in the listening area. 0.75 inches in 30 minutes. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, gulches, roads, and poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include mainly rural areas of central Larimer County. This includes the following additional locations: Box Prairie, Upper Buckhorn along County Road 44A, quickly to protect your life. Heavy rainfall will cause flash flooding of small creeks, streams, and ditches in the affected part of the Cameron Peak burn area. Rock slides or debris flows can also be expected across rural roads. Northeastern Douglas County in northeastern Colorado, northwestern Elbert County, western Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado, until 5:30 p.m. At 5:06 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Aurora. 13 miles. Source. Radar indicated.
I literally predicted this. I said, as it towed, this thing's going severe. Like that.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Parker and Arapahoe Park around 5:10 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
You also picked it up?
This is NOAA All Hazards Radio. Your normal program has been suspended due to severe weather.
Okay. Cool. So we got 3, 4, and 7. Alright. Another one?
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Douglas County in northeastern Colorado, southwestern Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado, southwestern Denver County in northeastern Colorado, east central Jefferson County until 5:45 p.m. At 5:14 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Morrison, or 13 miles southwest of Denver, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and
going 24/17.
hail damage to vegetation is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near southern Lakewood around 5:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Chetfield Reservoir, Northwestern Highlands Ranch, Littleton, Englewood, and Shering. For your protection, move to a strong thunderstorm will impact portions of north central Douglas, southwestern Denver, and central Jefferson counties through 6.
Okay, got it. Another one. Let me guess. Douglas, Elbert, and Arapahoe. Maybe not Arapahoe.
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Douglas County in northeastern Colorado, northwestern Elbert County until 6:00 p.m.
Not Arapahoe.
At 5:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. The storm was located 5 miles northeast of Parker, or 19 miles south.
Or WXM51, sorry.
60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vegetation is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Ponderosa Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of north central Douglas. South.
Alright. That is 3 so far, and we're in a marginal risk. There's, this is the original one, so there was number 1, there's number 2, and this is number 3. Number 1 just got expanded into number 3, so number 2 is heading this way, towards me. So if number 2 gets expanded, I'm gonna be under it, and we may have to activate that baby, or that one. I'll probably just go with the Model 5. But yeah.
Threat to life or property. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire.
Alright, so they just said that it weakened below severe limits. Although that doesn't look like it's weakening, it just looks like it's standing still over Morrison. But who knows. And then they also just canceled Douglas County off of this warning. This is a very interesting day. There's tornado warnings out here. I'm just realizing something. I can get alerts. No, I can't. I thought that was Washington County. I can get alerts for this county, not this county. So, yeah, that's a tornado warning storm there. But, nope.
Weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast for the latest weather information. This weather radio station is temporarily off the air.
It happened! They messed it up again!
The weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov.
This happens like at least 4 times a year. But this time they have
temporarily off the air.
the voice and the voice and the mic are both going at the same time.
Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This weather radio station is temporarily
you can hear
off
the
the
weekly
air.
voice under the off-the-air voice.
Here is the forecast for Boulder and the western Denver suburbs.
Alright.
Rest of today.
Let's wait for them to turn again. I guess we get double the EAS.
In the path of this severe thunderstorm include Rockport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio. 20 miles an hour. Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Weld County in northeastern Colorado until 6:45 p.m. At 5:58 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Purcell, or 15 miles northeast of Green, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour.
Okay, whatever.
Hazard, golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect
I didn't even
damage
see
to
what that
roofs,
was for.
siding, windows, and vehicles.
Okay.
This severe thunderstorm will be near Gailton around 6:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Barnesville, Gull, and Kersey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Nope, it didn't go.
The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
What?
To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency.
Ooh.
They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Denver, Colorado. Flash flood watch in effect from Thursday morning through Thursday evening. What?
That's cool. I've noticed in the past couple of warnings that they've been putting the, to report severe weather, contact your law enforcement agency. So that is the new warning there. 1.5 inches. And I think it had a considerable tag on it. Outside now.
In northeastern Colorado until 6:45 at 6:04 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southeast of Cheyenne, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Weld County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Elsewhere in Colorado, Denver reported partly sunny and 88. The wind was northeast at 13, gusting to 87. The wind was southeast at 16, gusting to 28. Monument Hill partly sunny and 77. The wind was south at 13. The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Weld County in northeastern Colorado and northeastern Larimer County until 6 p.m. At 6:51 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southwest of Maxwell Fort, or 19 miles southwest of Cheyenne, south at 20 miles an hour. 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations in Concord include Wellington and Weld. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wellington around 7:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Nunn and Pierce. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for. Has issued severe thunderstorm watch 504 in effect until 1 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following areas. In Colorado, this watch includes 6 counties in northeast Colorado: Logan, Morgan, Phillips, Sedgwick, Washington, Weld. This includes the cities of Akron, Fort Morgan, Greeley, Holyoke, Julesburg, Sterling, and Windsor. Primary threats include scattered large hail and isolated very large hail events of 2 inches in diameter, possible isolated winds to 70 miles an hour. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes.
Let's go, tornado risk. Another one.
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Weld County in northeastern Colorado until 8:30 p.m. At 7:43 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Brazil, or 16 miles entries. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Halls around 7:50 p.m. Eaton around 8 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Gailton, Eastern Greeley, Lucerne, Barnesville, Evans, and Kersey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Flash flood watch in a
Larimer and Weld, calling it now.
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Weld County in northeastern Colorado, east central Larimer County until 8:45 p.m. At 8:01 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles northwest of Severance or 8 miles east of Fort Collins, moving south at 25 miles an hour. This is a destructive storm for Severance.
Destructive.
Hazard 3-inch hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
Someone used the D word. Uh-oh.
Impact. People and animals outdoors will be severely injured.
Severely injured.
Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Severance around 8:05. The forecast is again. Other locations in the path Johnstown. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency.
And contact
They
law
will send a
enforcement.
report to the National Weather Service office in Denver, Colorado.
Alright, I gotta activate Denver Alert. Where's this for? Where's this for? Unless it's that Mead storm. If it's the Mead storm, that's a problem. Larimer.
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern County.
Channel 4?
9:15 p.m. At 8:22 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bow Prairie, 18 miles west of Fort Collins, moving south at 25 miles an hour.
I literally looked at the radar
60 miles an hour
seconds before this went off
quarter
and was
size
like, yep, they're gonna time.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Buckhorn Mountain around 8:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Glen Haven and Madisonville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Morning! Colwood Peak, I think? Or it's, no, it's Cameron Peak,
The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a flash flood warning for Central Park County until 11:30
Park?
p.m. At 8:25 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time.
Look,
Doppler radar indicated
Denver's off the air. That's not what the storms look like. Cheyenne's displaying a somewhat, oh, look at that. Let's see what Pueblo has. Pueblo's also messed up. What?
Source, radar.
It might be all Colorado? What?
Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, gulches,
working fine a
roads,
second ago.
and poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding
baby.
include Tayriel Reservoir. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life.
Nah, it already EOM'd. Gosh.
Life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, roads, and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Stowe Prairie, Buckhorn Mountain, Glen Haven, and Madisonville. This includes the following additional locations: Bucks Prairie, Upper Buckhorn along County Road 44H, Moonens Way, Stringtown Gulch, Big Bear, Lower Buckhorn on County Road 27 above
I'm
Madisonville.
just realizing I forgot to go on 101.5 after the other flash flip line.
Act quickly to protect your life. This is a life-threatening situation.
Life-threatening.
Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flooding of creeks, streams, roads, and culverts in the affected part of the Cameron Peak burn area. Rocks, flags, or debris flows can also be expected across roads in the warning area.
God damn it, I left it in my room. Alright, I think we might get into messaging times.
At 8:37 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, gulches, roads, and poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pennick Pass and Pingree Park. This includes the following additional locations: Cedar Springs, Monument Gulch, Jack's Gulch, Upper Pingree Park Road, Lower Pingree Park Road, and Sky Ranch. Move to higher ground now. Quickly to... This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flooding of creeks, streams, roads, and culverts in the affected part of the Cameron Peak burn area. Rocks, flags, or debris flows can also be expected
This is going to be a really long EAS comp. This is the dumbest thunderstorm risk day I've seen.
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Washington County and northeastern Colorado until 9:30 p.m. At 8:42 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles west of Yuma or near Hyde and was near stationary. Hazard.
Nearly
60 miles an hour
stationary, there we go.
$half-dollar-sized hail.
Can't wait till we get a flash flood warning too.
Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of east central Washington County, including the following locations: Hyde.
That's a
For
break.
your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
And there's got the EOM teams. Gotta love it.
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Larimer County until 10 p.m.
Larimer.
At 9:11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Drake around 9:15 p.m. Cedar Cove around 9:25 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Carter Lake and Pinewood Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near, at around 9:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Lone Star. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Boulder County in northeastern Colorado until 10:30 p.m. At 9:39 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Chrisman, or 29 miles northwest of Denver, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Quarter-size hail. Source.
They literally just canceled the warning as well.
Impact. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Boulder, Colorado Springs, Louisville, and Lafayette. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
And right when I thought we were safe. It's the one loud one. Flood warning.
The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a flash flood warning for central Boulder County in northeastern Colorado until 1:15 a.m. At 10:02 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.8 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, gulches, roads, and poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Salina, Somerville, Wall Street, Sunshine, Chrisman, and Gold Hill. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams, and ditches in the Formula Burn area. Some drainage basins impacted include Formula Creek, Gold Run, and Formula Canyon Creek. Severe debris flows can also be anticipated across roads. Roads and driveways may be washed away in places.
This is a lot of calls to action.
If you encounter flood waters, climb to safety. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.
Another flash flood warning.
The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a flash flood warning for Southeastern Boulder County in Northeastern Colorado until 12:30 a.m. At 10:36 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
Heavy rain.
Between 2 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing order to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, gulches, roads, and poor drainage and low-lying areas.
My storage died on that last one. So, that's great. But I deleted some stuff, so hopefully I'll be able to get the next one. It's lightning.
Flooding caused by thunderstorms. Impact, flooding of
Last clip was a severe thunderstorm warning for Washington. My county. Denver, Douglas, Jefferson. I'm under it.
Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Douglas County in Northeastern Colorado, Southwestern Arapahoe County in Northeastern Colorado, Southwestern Denver County in Northeastern Colorado, Central Jefferson County until midnight. In Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm over Canfield Reservoir, or 13 miles southwest of Denver, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Littleton and Sheridan around 11:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Louviers, Sedalia, Centennial, Highlands Ranch, Greenwood Village, Lone Tree, and Castle Pines. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Weld County in Northeastern Colorado, Northwestern Morgan County in Northeastern Colorado, until 1 a.m. At 12:26 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of Riverside Reservoir. 70s. Moving southeast at 15 miles, becoming 60 miles an hour, and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Riverside Reservoir around 12:40 a.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Orchard, Jackson Reservoir, and Goodrich. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio. In the Weld area, rainfall of 1 inch in 1 hour will be possible. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams